Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change battery in Dodge Avenger step by step. First, park on level ground, set the parking brake, and disconnect negative terminal to prevent shorting. Keep a memory saver plugged to preserve radio presets and ECU settings. Label cables and inspect tray for corrosion or damage. Clean terminals with a brush and baking soda solution, then dry everything before installing the new battery. Start by disconnecting the negative cable, then the positive to keep sparks away. Loosen the battery hold-down bolts with a 10 mm socket and carefully lift the battery out using both hands. If the battery is stuck, gently rock it side to side while lifting to free it. Place the old battery on an acid-resistant surface for transport to recycling. Clean the tray and terminals before fitting the new battery to ensure a secure connection. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more DIY car tips. Quick recommendation: I use these leak-proof containers for parts and small tools when I work. They keep things tidy in the garage. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Place the replacement battery into the tray so the terminals match the original orientation. Tighten the hold-down clamp until the battery is secure but not over-torqued. Reconnect the positive terminal first, then the negative, ensuring clamps are tight and clean. Apply a thin coat of dielectric grease to terminals to reduce future corrosion. Start the engine to confirm proper connection, and reset clocks or radio presets if needed after disconnecting a memory saver earlier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.